I'm back again with another African donut recipe, and trust me, this was simple, easy, and a safe time. If today is the first time here, we do everything about food, and if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe and follow for more videos. Thank you so much. You can call me the pastry goddess and I will respond. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I'll go ahead and melt it and add 1/8 cup of sugar. You can actually add a little bit of the sugar if you want to sell it. Thank you so much. So after mixing it, I'll go ahead and add a cup of whole milk. Mix it very well and make sure it becomes uniform. If you've watched me to this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the red button and the bell icon for more videos, and I will be very happy. So I'll go ahead and add 2 eggs, mix it very well, and then we proceed. If you're watching me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please follow for more videos, and you are not going to regret. You will love this. After mixing everything, this is how it looks, and it looks very beautiful. I just love it. We will go ahead and add our 3 cups of flour, and then we proceed. Thank you so much for your time once again, and I do appreciate it. So I will add a tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Okay, you can actually use any flavor of your choice. It can be vanilla, coconut, anything, but I decided to use the cinnamon sugar. I've added a tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and then mix it very well. I decided to use this to mix it. You can actually use your hand if that is what is going to make you comfortable. Okay, mix it very well, then you are good to go. So actually we are done with everything, but I decided to add this to my mixture, and trust me, it was perfect. It was delicious, and the taste was like cake, and I loved it. So that is what I'm adding. I added about a tablespoon, okay, or more than that. I didn't actually measure it, but you can actually do it according to your taste or how you want it. Okay, mix it, and then let's start dropping this. Try this and you will love it, because it added some taste to the donut, and I love it. It was like cake, as I said earlier. Okay, so this is how they look, and it is very beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, thank you so much if you are still with me, and I will be very grateful if you follow me for more videos. I know you are not going to regret. You will love this page, and if you're watching me from YouTube, subscribe for more videos. It is actually free. No libi, no labalaba. They don't take anything. Okay, thank you so much, and look at that beautiful outcome we got. So I come your way next time. Remember, I love you, and be happy all the time. Thank you.